Ezibuhlungu sekwenzeke ingozi ebiphakathi kwe-truck netekisi. Kuvele ukuthi abantu abashonile balinganiselwa kubantu abawu-8. Isibalo sesikhuphukile sekuvele ukuthi sebengu-11 abantu abashonile. Awuyizwele bechaza mayelana nalesi gameko.
Sibonele-ke bathi njengoba uyawubuka le ndawo esikuyona ithanda ukuba igquma, kusho ukuthi i-truck ingenzeka ukuthi iphelelwe amabhleki, kodwa kamasondo i-truck siwabonile already ukuthi akekho esimweni esikahle. Itekisi beyihamba ishona ngase-south, kusho ukuthi i-truck iphambana nayo yasweva yasuka emgaqweni yayo yashayisa itekisi, kwabe sekuphangalala abantu abawu-11 abadlulile emhlabeni. Udriver nabanye basasindile njengamanje. Siyamfisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi laba abaseyibhedlela babe ngcono. Siyohamba siyobabheka nakhona sibheke ukuthi isimo sakhona sinjani. Kuyiqiniso-ke nakhona ukuthi cha, siyibonile i-truck ukuthi amathaya ayimpande, okusisusa ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi umuntu one-contract enkulu kangaka nako-Toyota esebenza kodwa angayinakekeli imiphefumulo yabantu. Nakhona kwitekisi bekade ithatha abantu abangaphezulu komthamo, esobheka lethu ukuthi i-PRDP iyenziwe kubona bobabili, isimo sakhona sikahle yini. Sishilo ukuthi already udriver we-truck simlandisela amaphoyisa ukuthi ayombheka ukuthi isimo sakhona-ke senzeka kanjani, so that ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi singabe sakhuluma ngendaba ekuthiwa i-culpable. Umuntu osuke kade driver isithutha esingekho emthethweni abe ne-murder rate straight, ayingxenye yokuthi icase lakhe liyothithwa njenge-murder ukuze bakusabe nakhona umuntu angavumi ngisho bephoqa.
In the province of KwaZulu-Natal, where we were told by an RTI team this morning that there was a horrible accident that took place around this area. I'm sure this is Ward 90, around Lotus area. We are told the drag of the truck just swerved. It might be because of different reasons. I've already witnessed that the truck, the tires were worn, unfortunately, both the back and front. So, but the RTMC is still going to deal with that, which is why already even the truck driver was accompanied by subs. I'm sure the owner as well, it must be the same, because it would be painful that we go towards those who are just victims without going further on the owners, because they make a lot of money. The accident that has taken place in the area where a lot has been done. The taxi, unfortunately, was also overloaded. Instead of 15 passengers, they had 17 or 18, which is something that is not as well warranted. The team have already spoken to them. It's so unfortunate at this point in time, because we're also looking for the PRDP of both drivers. And it's something that we must be stricter when it comes to those things. The number that we are currently dealing with is 11 that has been satisfied. There is a hyper that has been done by LLS service. It's something that I must talk categorical, that when they enter the scene, they tend to bulldoze. I'm sure you know by now that they are also insensitive in some instances. If you don't have the medical aid, they are not going to assist you. If it means that you are dying, if it means that they could still save you. It's something that is, which is why we prefer that we deal with the Department of Health. I've already all the time mentioned that the MEC of Health is always dispatching a qualified team and a stronger team on the scene, that they are not saying that we are going to be excluded, that we are going to be not given a priority. So it's something that we are dealing with it, and at this point in time it remains safe that we are dealing with the families, because the taxi was going towards Ilofu area in the West Shokwen. It's something that is still going to tell almost all the family members. Some of them have not been told. It's so unfortunate once again that others are already parroting the glaring videos, that are not okay, that are unpalatable. It's something that we must manage, and as a caring government, we must go after that, do the service, follow that, visit the families up until the process is done in a correct manner. I'm sure just one right now we're still going to see the forensic team coming to collect the corpse.
Yiso lesi isigameko esesenzekile eThekwini. Besicela usitshele ukuphawula kwakho kwi-comment section.